Hey guys, for today's video, we're making a Reese's Pieces peanut butter iced coffee. Start with a large spoonful of peanut butter. I'm just gonna put it in the cup and swirl it around the entire cup. You can use any brand peanut butter that you want. They even make a Reese's Pieces peanut butter. I'm using Skippy. Now we're gonna do the same thing with some hazelnut or Nutella spread. Grab a large spoonful and start swirling it around the cup. When you're done with that, it should look something like this. Now you're gonna fill up your cup with ice. You can use regular ice or nugget ice, it's up to you. Now we're gonna fill up your cup halfway with the Starbucks cold brew in the flavored chocolate cream. These Starbucks cold coffees are so good. I can't wait to try them all. Now we're going to take some vanilla bean creamer and we're going to use 2 or 3 tablespoons. It's up to you. For this recipe, I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons. Next, I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of your favorite milk. You can use 1% fat-free almond milk. It's up to you. I'm using 1%. Now we're going to top it off with some whipped cream. I love the original whipped cream, or you can use extra creamy. Give it a few swirls around. Then we're going to go in with the Ghirardelli chocolate sauce. Now you can use Hershey's chocolate sauce or any chocolate sauce that you prefer, but for this recipe we're using the Ghirardelli. Swirl it around until you completely cover the top of the whipped cream. Then you're going to take some Reese's Pieces candies and you're going to place them on top of that. I love these candy frappuccinos and iced coffees that I make because I just love to eat the candy before I put it on the coffee. Sprinkle a good amount on top. Make sure you don't overflow it because you still got to put your lid on. I'm using a dome lid on this McDonald's cup and I'm just going to snap it down tightly. Take some more of your whipped cream and go on the top of the dome cup, hold it to the sides, and then spray it. This will completely fill the top of the drain. Add your straw, and there you have it. Look how delicious that Reese's Pieces peanut butter iced coffee. Oh my gosh. If you like this video, make sure to follow me, and don't forget to get the recipe at the end of this video. Bye guys.